Alright, Joms TV Media, on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, we're on our way to Alabang Town Center Podium Parking for the Cars Plus Coffee Retro Ride South Car Meet. So this is a beautiful event, and because we're going to see old cars. Some of the cars that we featured here on our channel might be there. So of course, shout out to the Retro Ride South, Mr. Jerome Villostas, and the rest of the members. Old Schooler Club Philippines, to Mr. Manny Martinez, and sa lahat ng members ng Lancer Box Type. Very good afternoon po sa inyo. And I hope to see you and some of the Old Schoolers and Retro Ride South members na makita natin at makilala natin, for we can feature them here on our channel. Alright, please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this. And thank you very much for liking and subscribing, sending your comments. Maraming salamat to your support. Have a great afternoon, have a great day. God bless. Enjoy watching. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Sumuwag. Busy oh. Busy. Ayun oh. Busy si boss oh. Busy. Joms TV in the motherfucking building. Wow, Bata TV. Busy oh. Fresh from Palawan, Davao and Jensan.
I miss you.
Miss you too.
I miss you.
Sobrang miss ka namin.
Content creation is not complete without you. Damn.
And the car community is not complete without you.
Oy, sana makasama ka sa amin pag umikot kami Luzon Loop. Papayaram sa atin yung Hyundai van.
Yes, sir.
I hope you can.
It will be an honor.
Yes, sir. It will be our honor as well. Joms TV in the building.
Moto TV.
Let's go. Easy shots.
Easy shots. Alright, Joms TV Media, we're here at the Fast Autocore car meet. So as you can see right now, ang sponsor would be Hyundai and the Chongbian group of companies. Tapos we're here at the Alabang Town Center Podium Parking. And sobrang daming kotse na pwede nyong i-test drive. So this is a event normally happens on a regular basis. Tapos this event is also partnered with Old Schooler. Retro Ride South is also present here. So later pupuntahan natin doon yung mga Old Schooler na mga friends natin and some of the cars that we also featured during dito sa ating channel. Alright, so ayun, nandun yung kay Sir Jared. And of course, ayun si Doc Chris. And here are the samples of the cars na mga old school. We have I believe this is a Celica. Tapos this is a Victor. Mga bang kotse to? Ako, basta Victor to. Hindi ko alam, pero alam ko American car to eh. Hello sir. Tapos of course, andito yung mga side ng mga old schoolers. Of course, shout out sa Master Garage, I believe. US Lube dito. Ay. Ano sir? Grabe. Hi ma'am, good morning. Ay, good afternoon ba? Oh guys, andito na yung mga old schooler nating friends. Star-studded na. Tapos, and of course si Doc Chris and some of the old schoolers. Sir Jared dito. And of course, shout out sa friend natin kay Fernando. Tama? Ay, Alejandro, sorry. Siya yung merong RC. Dala mo ba? Alright guys, I'm here at Super Beetle. Asan ba yung may-ari nito? Hello po sir. Hello po sa inyo. Good afternoon. Ayan, mga concessionaires natin. And of course, ito, friend natin. From Super Beetle. Ayan, nahingal ako. Si Boss Mopab kasi kailangan ako magtatrabaho pa tayo. Alright, so this is pretty much the event of Fast Autocore. So as you can see right now, nandun yung si Sir Martin, yung ating na-feature, yung Mercedes-Benz niya, and some of the old schoolers. And of course, shoutout sa Notorious Motorsport. Hello po sa inyo. Of course, here is the organizer, Mr. Byron Lee. Sobrang congratulations talaga as always with Lance Casio. Congratulations talaga sir. Sobrang kailang hiningal ako. Pero sobrang nakaka-excite. Sir, anong ma-expect natin on this event?
Actually, today medyo nabusan na tayo ng bosses bro. Pero later meron tayong banda from Master Garage.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have a raffle then later. So, yun.
Alright. Mr. Byron Lee in the house. Thank you very much. Ayun. Sir Carlo Castro. Of course, the voice of car community. Shin Chats, ayan oh, shout out sa iyo. Kamusta sir? Good to see you with Lance Casio always, as always. Alright, oh guys, check this out, this video. Lahat ng mga kotse, here. Hello po sir, good afternoon po. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Solid. Ito, Land Cruiser na. Ito, sa totoo lang guys, nalilito ako sa Land Cruiser kung anong klaseng Land Cruiser to. Pero Land Cruiser first, grabe oh. Ganda nitong backstep na to oh. Look oh, meron pang very nice. Oh, Iliana Racing pala to. Oo nga. Oh guys, so Iliana Racing. Tapos, alright, ito. Ito. Very nice. Saturn 80. Solid. Solid. Ito naman parang rally art. Uy, ang cute naman ng kotse. Nice. Very nice. Of course, ito yung kotse ni Doc Chris. Grabe, blacked out. Tapos, ewan ko anong paint to, matte. Pero ang ganda. Solid. Tapos ito, abangan nyo. This is a shop in United San Pedro. Ito, feature natin to. Grabe. It's a Dodge car. Parang challenge. Hindi, nakalimutan ko may tawag dito eh. Hello po. How are you po? Tapos of course may mga fire extinguisher. At saka of course sir, how are you po? Sobrang solid nung ano nyo. Binibenta ko guys, kailangan nyo to lalo na sa mga kotse nyo. You should have this. Sir, saan po mabibili to?
Ito, sa Maling Urban, sa Retro Rides, ano lang, sideline lang.
Doon lang, oh sige. So kontakin nyo na lang sir, any Facebook?
Explain kung ba't kailangan eh.
Oo, totoo. Guys, importante to kung bahay natin meron yung sunog, hindi yan, lalo na sa mga panahon ngayon, mainit. Kailangan natin ito. Even sports car has this. Okay. So, yes sir, thank you. Guys, tignan nyo naman ito. So, Boss Pakaway! May dashcam ako. Solid to. Oh, hindi kayo pwedeng magkaila dito. May dashcam si sir ha. Duct tape make solid sir ang build mo.
Pininindigan ko na.
Nakakatawa yung build mo sir. Sir ano to? 92. Oh guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, this is a 92 Light Ace. Sa mga bata, mga pamangking ko, oh, this is the van na family van nung araw. So kung meron na ngayong Avanza, ito na yun. Kasi yung FX, that was the, ngayon, yun na yung Innova. So ito yung Avanza nung araw. O, diba? Tignan nyo. Tapos yung gulong niya naka-Vega ba to? Sir, Vega ba yung mags mo? O yan, naka-Vega si Sir, OG. Mahirap na mawala eh, no? O guys, so tignan nyo yung loob niya, no? Sobrang solid, no? Diba? Sobrang. Uy, si anong? Si Doc Mark. Si Doc Mark. Kasama si Wilson. Of course, mawawala ba naman sa Retro Ride South? Si Doc Mark with Winston. How are you, sir? Good to see you again. Of course, ito yung kapatid ni sir. Yan, yung kanyang Mazda na RX-7 na kotse ni Annie. Yan. Doon sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung sino si Annie. Kung sino si Annie yung kapartner ni Scheider. So check nyo sa Google. Yan, ito yung kotse niya. Palagi natin nakakasama during Cars Plus Coffee and Retro Ride South. Diba? RX-7 yan, first gen, if I'm not mistaken. Solid.
Bigam legendary natin ngayon. YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Become legendary. Let's go.
Totoo, sir. Teka, batingin ko muna yung mga friends na, of course, Sir Jay, Sir Aldrich, at Sir Jo Marie of Retro Ride South. Sobrang
May nag-post nga eh. Wala ko nakita, may kulay ko lang. 320, grabe. Oo, grabe. Sir, pero bakit ba rin? Ito ay we have another fantasy function and project required.
At ang hindi ka mahuhuli ang asawa mo dahil makakauwi ka on time. Dahil yan sa Aeropa! Yan. Ano pa, sir?
Hey guys, dahil naman si Sir. Asan ang Civic mo?
Wala, nasa bahay.
Hello po, shoutout sa inyo. Kamusta? O guys, check nyo yung page natin. Ayan, yan yung video nyo, no? Guys, our friends from the Volkswagen. Solid. Dapat katabi nung kotse ni Doc yun, eh. Opo. Grabe. So this event is normally nagkikita-kita lang sila yung mga Retro Ride South o na, well, hindi sila regular, pero pag nagkita sila sobrang exciting. Normally every morning, pero ito, this is afternoon. So guys, you are friends in the United States and Japan. So this is how car meet looks like now here in the Philippines. Meron tayong mga from different kinds of cars, from the old school, from the new school, from the vintage, well, old school from the 80s, 90s. Sobrang exciting. Sir, if you're going to, if you're becoming, sobrang, ito yung mga pwede natin puntahan. And it will be really an honor for me to give you a tour. Alright? So ayan, punta pa tayo dito. So ito yung naikutan natin kanina. Tapos ayan, ito makikilala mo sila. Mamimit mo sila hopefully pagdating mo dito. This is nice, oh. Ganda nito.
Sega, all parts and accessories.
Yung mga old stock natin review, pinapenta ng mga unit. Kahit nasa ka, kahit nasa abroad.
Ito matindi. Nalulungin ka kung nasa ka. Ngayon, hindi ko malalagay sa iyo. Lalagay mo sa kotse ng asawa mo. Kahit nasa ka, Pero sa'yo, wala kang pinakakit. Ito naman, kahit nasa abroad, di ba?
Kahit nasa abroad ka, so pwede mo i-access yung location ng car mo. And ang maganda dito, one phone na time lang. So pag
Guys, tignan niyo yun, no?
Ano lang, automatic na
Ayun, no? Si Become Legendary.
alam mo
Ito.
ng mga tao sa shop yung
Yan.
flyers natin.
Nagko-content siya. Guys, follow niyo yung page niya, Become Legendary PH sa YouTube. Yan. Magaling to. Ibang mga pitik nito. Yan. Enjoy a good driving. Become Legendary. Solid yan.
Oh, Sir Rocky, ito, paborito ko. Pag tumigil ka dito,
Hindi ko na nakita to. Ano yung papatid?
Kapatid ni Doc. Kapatid ni Doc Mark. Yan nandun.
po natin, syempre.
Ang alis ko ay...
Doc, ingat ha. Ingat, Doc. Easy works, garage. Thank you, Doc. Ingat, ingat. Ang nangyari, hindi na niya tinuloy yung...
Oo, napanood ko.
So, mag-feature. Ay, mag-feature. Wala pa ako sa time. Nandun na, Doc.
May ano rin eh. Diba may pick up na ano, yung luma.
Hindi, magmimisa yan. Magmimisa ka.
Papamisa!
Sir Martin, ingat ka. Thank you. Saan ko naiwan yung drink? Oh, sorry, sir. Hello, sir. Alarm yung auto ko. ito video na. Guys, shout out to Retro Ride South here at Cars Plus Coffee with Joms TV Media. Salamat sa inyo sa pagdating. And of course, Cars Plus Coffee.
Thanks, John.
Salamat for this event. Retro Ride South, salamat sa inyo. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Group hug!
Group hug! Alright guys, Joms TV Media, I'm with the owner of Chongbian Group of Companies, Mr. Mark Chongbian. And thank you very much, sir, and congratulations for this event.
Thank you, Joms.
Yes, sir. And we would like to get a short message.
Well, I'll try to make it short, but I don't know how it's going to be.
Yes,
anyway, thank you for having us coming over to the event.
It's really an honor.
This is our second one, and hopefully not the last, which is for sure not the last. I first want to thank everybody that have come here, especially you.
Thank you, sir.
It was a successful show, and I'd like to thank all the participants, yes, most of all, and everything's doing very well. Unfortunately, the only thing that I wish it would have been longer. So yeah, thank you so much. What can I say? With Carl in the helm, it's always a good thing.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
So, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's really an honor. Thank you for having us.
The
Thank you.
honor was mine.
Congratulations, sir. Have a great day. God bless, sir. More power
God bless.
to Chongbian Group of Companies.
Salamat
Thank
po.
you very much, sir. Sir Mark with Joms TV Media.
Thanks,
Thank you very
Joms.
much. Thank you, sir. Guys, Doc Mark Perez and with Winston. Thank you, sir. Tapos. Sir! Thank you, sir. Ingat po kayo. Thank you, thank you. Good to see you, sir.
Sa susunod na halalan, tandaan nyo, Moa Photo TV lang. Salamat, salamat. Salamat guys. Solid, Back Motor Court, Downey, Moa Photo TV.